We're printing a full 450 millimeter job in 12 hours. That's unbeatable any other process, and we can do that twice a day. With cold metal fusion, one of the key aspects that we really liked about it was we were using equipment that we already had, which was the SLS printers. We had the XYZs. We had just picked up Far Soon to begin printing some of your PA12 and PK5000. And so it was an easy shift for us to adopt some cold metal fusion and see if we can find the right use cases and application for it. The other side is because it is based around the metal injection molding process, there's already all those equipment out there as well. The MIM and the SLS process now gives you a complete path forward. In order for us to gain in scale, it is really just adopting current technologies that are already out there and purchasing that head-made material in-house. One of the key areas that we're most excited about is obviously on our Far Soon flight machine. It's a fiber laser, and we are printing this powder beautifully. It creates a nice, dense green part, exactly in line with recommendations for all your CO2 lasers that were tested originally. We were the first company to say, hey, we've got a couple fiber lasers. Let's see this. Can this work? So we began printing, and we could see that the density was just as good, if not better in some cases. That fiber laser in those flight machines, the build volume is about a 400 millimeter by 400 millimeter by 450. And then we are printing a full height build in about 12 hours. So now that Far Soon machine can produce thousands of parts every day compared to a DMLS machine, which will be limited to your 10, 20 that you can fit on your build plate. The way to scale that up now is to just have enough furnace capacity. That is one of our biggest issues right now, is the demand is so great and our printing capability is equally as far up there as the demand, but we don't have the furnace capacity yet. And so that is where we're going to be focusing our scaling efforts, is bringing in some of that MIM technology in-house, making sure that we can properly produce each and every order. We're mostly focused on the production side, making sure that a serialization and optimization for lot numbers and stuff like that, it all has to go through certain steps. But it is really looking like a positive application to utilize these current technologies that are out there, SLS, MIM, combine it together, and now you have a production scale that can just increase rapidly based off that current technology.